Today we are going to start the chapter Decimal Forms. Decimal forms. The previous classes you studied what is a decimal number. In this chapter we learn different ways of writing the decimal forms of fractions. There are three forms. First form. Fractions with any powers of 10 as denominators can be written in decimal form. This you already studied. Example 8 by 10. Here the denominator is a power of 10. Then we can convert this into decimal form. How can we convert? First write the numerator 8. In the denominator 1 0 is there. So take one digit from the right side and put a point. Then corresponding decimal form is 0.8. Next example 27 by 100. Here also the denominator is a power of 10. So we can easily convert into decimal form. First write 27. In the denominator 2 zeros are here. So take two digits from the right side and put a point. The corresponding decimal form is 0.27. This type questions you already studied. Second forms. Second forms. Some fractions whose denominators are not powers of 10 can be converted to the powers of 10 by multiplying it with a number. So consider a number 4 by 50. Here the denominator is not a power of 10, but we can convert this denominator 50 into power of 10. We know that 50 into 2 is 100. 100 is a power of 10. So multiply by 2. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. Then this becomes 8 by 100. Now the denominator is a power of 10. So how can convert? First write 8. In the denominator 2 zeros are here. So take two digits from the right side. So 0.08. Next 1 by 25. Here the denominator is 25. Here also what? 25 into 4 is 100. So we can convert 25 into a power of 100. So multiply by 4. 25 into 4 equal to 4 by 100. The corresponding decimal form is 0.04. Next 1 by 2. By 2. We know that 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Ten is a power of 10. So to convert 2 into 10, multiply by 5. So 5 by 10. So the corresponding decimal form is 0.5. Consider these denominators. The first denominator is 50. The second denominator is 25. The third denominator is 2. Which are the factors of 50? Which are the factors of 50? 2 into 5 into 5. 25 is 5 into 5. 2. 2. The prime factors of the denominators are prime factors of 58, 2 into 5 into 5, 25, 5 into 5, 2, 2 only. Can you see any peculiarity in the denominators of these fractions? Can you see anything? In these fractions, the denominators can be converted into decimal form. That is, the fractions in which 2 or 5 only, or both 2 and 5 are the prime factors of the denominators, can be converted into decimal form. 50, the factors are 2 or 5, 25, 5 only, 2, 2 only. So we can convert these denominators into power of 10. Power of 10. Consider another example. Write the fraction write the fraction 13 by 40 into decimal form. Into decimal form. Here the denominator is not a power of 10. So first find the factors of 40. Factors of 40. 10, 2, 5. The factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. The prime factors of 40 contains 2 and 5 only. So we can convert this denominator into power of 10. How can we convert into power of 10? Here this 2 and 5 together form power of 10. Then to convert this into power of 10, multiply by 2. Here also we want to multiply by 5. So to convert 40 into power of 10, multiply by 25. So 13 by 40 is equal to convert the denominator into power of 10, multiply by 25. So in the numerator also multiply by 25. Thirteen by 25 is 325. 325 by 1000 is equal to 325. Denominator is the power of 10, so we can convert into decimal form. First write 325, then in the denominator 3 zeros are there, so take 3 digits from the right side and put a point. So the corresponding decimal form is 0.325. Next example, convert 5 by 16 into decimal form. Convert 5 by 16 into decimal form. Here also the denominator is not a power of 10. So first find the factors of 16. Factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 raised to 4. Here the denominator contains the factors of 2 only. So we can convert this into power of 10. So to convert into power of 10, multiply 2 by 5. Here also multiply by 5. Here also multiply by 5. Here also multiply by 5. So to convert 16 into power of 10, convert 16 by 5 raised to 4. So 5 by 16 is equal to 5 into 5 raised to 4 by 16 into 5 raised to 4. That is 5 raised to 5 by 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. Or direct multiply 16 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Anyway you can multiply. So this is 5 into 625 or 16 into 625 is equal to 3125 by 3125 by 10,000. So now the denominator is a power of 10. So we can convert this into decimal form. How can convert? 3125 and take 2. In the denominator 4 zeros are here. So take 4 digits from the right side and put a decimal form. So 0.3125 is a decimal form of 5 by 16. From this step you can do easily 5 raised to 5. Here 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4. This is of the form a raised to m into b raised to m. The powers are same, then what? ab the whole raised to m. So this we can write 2 into 5 the whole raised to 4. This way also we can do. Okay. Now write the next question. Find the decimal form of the sum. First one, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube. We know that to convert into a decimal form, first convert the denominator into a power of 10. So take first term 1 by 5. To convert 5 into power of 10, we know that multiply by 2. That is 2 by 10. Corresponding decimal form is 0.2. Next 1 by 5 square. 1 by 5 square means what? 1 by 5 into 5. To convert into power of 10, multiply by 2 into, here 2 5s are here, so multiply by 2 2s, 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2, that is 4 by 100 is equal to, corresponding decimal form is 0.04. Next is 1 by 5 cube, that is 1 by 5 into 5 into 5. So here 3 5s are here, so to convert into powers of 10, multiply by 3 2s. That is 8 by 1000. That is, first write 8, the denominator contains 3 zeros, so take 3 digits from the right side. Okay. Then once again write the question. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 cube is equal to, the decimal form of 1 by 5 is 0.2 plus 0.04 plus 0.008. The addition of decimal numbers you already studied the previous classes. So 0.2, 0.04, 0.008, 842. So the corresponding decimal is 0.248. Okay, one more question. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube. So first we want to convert into decimal form. Okay, take first number 1 by 2, first term 1 by 2. The denominator is a power of 2, so we can convert into power of 10. So 2, so multiply by 5, multiply the denominator and numerator by 5, 5 by 10. So the corresponding decimal form is 0.5. Let's take 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square means what? 1 by 2 into 2. Here 2 2's are here. So 2 convert into power of 10, multiply by 2 5's. That is 2 5's, 5 into 5. Get a 5 into 5. That is 25 by 100. So corresponding decimal is 0.25. Next, 1 by 2 cube. That is 1 by 2 into 2 into 2. 2 convert into power of 10, multiply by, here 3 2's are here, multiply by 3 5's. That is 125 by 1000. is equal to 0.125. Now once I write the question, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5 plus 0.25 plus 0.125. Corresponding decimal addition by 0.25, 0.125, 5, 7, 8. Corresponding decimal number is 875. Okay. Today's class is over.